Welcome to the channel. This was the first Hanimar I picked up. I have learned not to judge until I have taken pictures with a lens. A 35mm f2.8 is in any case a lens that you buy, especially if it is also an M42. Again, the same recipe with my helicoid adapter. Subjects taken from as close as possible. What a lens! Beautiful bokeh. After this lens, I thought that all lenses of this brand would be great. This turned out not to be the case. This lens is in any case a great discovery.